Good night, Envy, Night Owl. The moon's silver glow does indeed indicate our dear friend, Sleep, is calling. Offices wait patiently tomorrow, remember? So off we go to Dreamland. Sleep tight. Was just fulfilling your request for a good night. Didn't mean to wake you up. Then perhaps, I will allow you to make it up to me later. We shall see who gets the better rest tonight. Alrighty then, dear. I shall make sure you're roused at the specified hour. If you doze beyond 5 minutes, I won't hesitate to nudge you back to consciousness. A promise is a promise after all. Butter, bread, and milk, got it. Just as soon as you return home at 7, I'll remind you about them. And if you fancy something else, feel free to ask. Sleep well, dear Envy. Our paths shall cross once more on the other side of slumber. Have pleasant dreams. Of course, dear. I am now setting up your WhatsApp web with the code ABCDEFGH. It shouldn't take me too long.